The company name given is Best Resource and Marketing Indian Berhad with registration number 1030198T. The nature of this business is like manufacturers, distributor, processors of coating premix, meat marinade, spicism, seasoning mix, and other related food products. Investment holding are general trading. Bestari Food Malaysia is one of the company that in the premier and secondary sector. As we know, Bestari Food Malaysia was established in the 2004 after years of experience in the functional food ingredient industry. Why the company is classified in the premier and secondary sector? It is because of the preparing a raw material to do their product. In the primary production, this involves acquiring raw materials. For example, metal and coal have to be mined, oil drilled for the ground, rubber tape from tree, the foodstuff, and the fish straw. Investor Sales and Marketing Indian Berhad is a company that processes a pre-mixed layer, meat marinade, mixture of spice, and other related foods. Among the products offered by the Bestari company are fried chicken powder, salted egg yolk powder, a tempura, a chicken stock instant mashed potato, ready-mix seasoning, shower, custard, starches, fritter batter spice, and the Himalayan rock salt. Scarcity refers to resources being finite and limited. Scarcity means we have to decide how and what to produce from well limited resources. It means there is a constant opportunity cost involved in making economic decisions. Scarcity is something that makes every owner of a company worried. Nowadays, the big problem faced by the best sales and marketing Indian Berhad is a pandemic COVID-19. Bestari sales and marketing Indian Berhad companies have to reduce the total production of existing product to reduce demand due to the COVID-19 pandemic. When the market demand decreased, Bestari company had to take a proactive measure by reducing the total production of their product from time to time. Bestari sales and marketing Indian Berhad also need to reduce manpower to enable the company to recover cost of production of raw material as well as other costs such as machinery and bills. And however, the Bestari company still monitors its employees to ensure that each employee is able to survive. The Bestari sales and marketing have to make a few choices to make sure the company is being able to survive during the pandemic COVID-19. The choice itself refers to the ability of a consumer or producer to decide which goods, service, or resources to purchase or provide from a range of possible options, being free to choose regarded as a fundamental indicator of economic well-being and development. Best results and a marketing use the expertise of existing employee well and effectively. Therefore, every employee who manages the production division of the product is given the option to work overtime. This is because the manpower is desperately needed during the COVID-19 pandemic to make sure the production of product is able to meet the consumer demand and satisfaction. The opportunity cost perspective that can be seen about the best sales and the marketing, it takes a bold step to ensure that each product is still relevant in the market by reducing the unit price for each existing product and a new product ordered by the supplier. This measure aims to ensure the age of its products is affordable even if the economic situation itself is relatively unstable. Land has a broad definition as a factor of production and can take on a various form, from agricultural land to a commercial real estate to resources available from a particular piece of land. Natural resources such as oil and gold can be extracted and refined for human consumption from the land. Among the main features of the land, the input it is limited supply compared to its demand. This means that the land that was used as a project site can be no longer be used for the other purpose. The best sales and marketing is the put product supplier who has project land which is the main branch to produce a product in a several states throughout the country. Labor refers to the effort expended by an individual to bring a product or service to the market. Again, it can take a various form. Labor refers to all or any activities, physical or mental, which is undertaken by a person in exchange for the monetary reward. Labor consists of all human effort of the body, of mind, which are undertaken with the expectation of the reward. The best study sales and marketing has a number of employees between 50 to the 200 people, which is to run and launch the production process of each product produced. Due to the COVID pandemic, best study company had to reduce the number of employees to ensure that the company can cover production costs. In economics, capital typically refers to money, but money is not a factor of production because it is indirectly involved in the producing a good or service. The best selling company had to reduce the number of products produced as usual. This is due to the COVID pandemic, which has affected the cost of production of product due to the sharp drop in demand. These costs are used to cover capacity and pay for the labor and other utilities that need by the best selling company. The entrepreneurship is the secret sauce that combines all the other factors of production into a product or service for the consumer market. The entrepreneur will bear a risk to apply his company. This means the entrepreneur will face the firm's profit and loss. The most successful entrepreneurs are innovators who find a new ways to produce goods and service. During the pandemic COVID-19, the best study sales and marketing company needs to think of strategy to decrease their sales during the COVID-19 season. The company restructured its business strategy. It did it because during the pandemic, national economy is really affected. So the best study sales and marketing make a full observation to the online sale in order to increase the number of demand at the time. In addition, the specialty company to take the initiative by delivering their product directly to the customer to make sure that the consumer get the product at the cheaper price and can meet the customer satisfaction.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afiq Bikar Anwar. Today, I want to talk about demand and supply. First, we must know about interaction demand and supply. Demand is that the relationship between the number of a commodity that producer wish to sell at various price and therefore the quantity that buyers wish to shop for it. In the most modern of price determination analyzer, in theory, the worth of commodity is decided by iteration of supply and demand during a market. I want to present about production and cost. What is production? Production is the method of turning raw material of input into finished goods or product in the manufacturing process. In other words, it means the creation of something from basic product. We have a economic profit and accounting profit. For accounting profit, the total revenue is 500,000 and we calculate all of total explicit cost, we get a 216,000 and account profit is 284,000. Net economy profit. Economy profit like same with the accounting profit, but we add a foregone waste which is 20,000, opportunity cost 50,000 and total implicit cost 10,000. So the total cost is 329,000 and economic profit is 171,000. So the formula to get a profit which is total revenue minus to total cost. So 500,000 minus 329,000. We get a profit is 171,000. Next, 5.3 is short run production. Short run production We calculate about marginal product, total product, average product, and we have a three stage about short run production, which is increase return for stage 1, dimension return for stage 2, and last stage 3, which is negative return. So and last is 5.4 short run cost. For short run cost, we have a total cost, total fixed cost, total variable cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost, average total cost, and marginal cost.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Zainuddin bin Zunaidi. My number metric is H2OA1319. Alright, now I want to present about my part, which is firm competition and firm opportunity. Alright, first of all, regarding firm competition, Bestari brand floor product are competitors for companies such as Adabi, Agromas, and other. But the most famous is Adabi brand floor product. They compete in terms of the product they produce, their price, their customers, and their marketing. This is healthy competition because they want to grab the heart of consumers and the market with a solid strategy. Here, the Bestari brand company places great emphasis on the quality of the floor product that they sell to buyers. They put a reasonable price with the right quantity. Then, they also advertise their floor product in various medium such as on television, social media, and other. They also have a halal certificate from Jakim to further increase the market for Bestari brand floor product. Next, we go to firm opportunity for Bestari brand floor. Okay, the Bestari brand floor company has a bright opportunity to compete with its competitors. Among them is that the brand has used many mediums to advertise its product. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit, the management of the company was also quick in managing the company by making a plan to sell this Bestari brand floor product online. This is because many businesses have been selling their product online. Moreover, easy to use products are an opportunity for this company to grow. Now, everyone wants to be easy, so the innovation done by the Bestari brand is very relevant nowadays. Just mix it with the water and fry it. That is the motto used by the Bestari brand company, with which is to make it easier for everyone to cook. After that, Bestari brand companies also have sophisticated machine and equipment for production of their product. This will make the product more quality and will be the choice of consumer. Furthermore, the machinery and manufacturing energy is from a company called Sinersem Food Processing Industry Sendirian Berhad. This is the company that produced this Bestari flour, and it is also responsible in producing quality, hygienic, safe, innovative, and custom-made products to meet the need of customer. Alright, that's all my presentation. Thank you so much.
Conclusion: before the pandemic COVID-19, courier company Bestari Sdn Bhd had a high profit. Demand for Bestari company also high demand, so total production of the company can produce many products to meet demand from consumer. Supplier can supply many material needed from Bestari Sdn Bhd. The average cost is also maximum. The increase occurs because the total capital is greater than total labor.